Good morning to my respected teachers, coordinator and my dear friends. It's me Anjila Dulal from grade 2. Today I am going to give a short presentation on the topic of the life of a butterfly. Have you ever imagined how a tiny caterpillar transforms into a beautiful butterfly? Today I am going to tell you an amazing story of the life of a butterfly. The journey begins with a tiny egg laid on a leaf. Soon a caterpillar is also known as larva hatches out. The caterpillar is very hungry and it sleeps all the time. It saves its skin several times. After growing, it turns itself into a pupa. And then after days of waiting, butterfly emerges its wings and ready to fly. The life of a butterfly is a story of a change and transformation. Thank you. Have a nice day.